Buying coins on Binance is a straightforward process. First, create an account and complete any required verification steps. Once logged in, deposit funds into your Binance wallet using your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer or credit card. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section, select the coin you want to purchase, and enter the amount. Review the transaction details, confirm your purchase, and your chosen coins will appear in your Binance wallet within moments. Want to buy your first crypto coin, but feeling a little lost? You're not alone. In today's video, I'm walking you through, step by step, how to buy coins on Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange. I'll show you how to open an account, secure it, fund it, and buy your first coin in just minutes. Whether you're a beginner or someone who needs a quick refresh, stick with me till the end, and you'll be ready to dive into crypto safely and smartly. How to buy crypto on Binance. Beginner-friendly 2025. Guide, Section 1. What is Binance? First things first. What is Binance? Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange launched in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, known as CZ. Today, it's the biggest crypto exchange in the world, handling billions of dollars in trades daily. They offer hundreds of cryptocurrencies, low fees, a strong reputation for security, and a wide variety of trading options. Pro tip: Binance operates two main platforms, Binance.com, global, Binance, US, for US residents. Section 2. How to create a Binance account. All right, let's get your account ready. Here's how to do it. Go to Binance.com or Binance app. Click Register. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Verify your email. Check your inbox for a code. Important: use a unique, strong password that you don't use anywhere else. Section 3. Secure your account. Very important. Before you even think about buying crypto, secure your account. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. Go to Security Settings. Choose Google Authenticator or SMS authentication. Follow the steps to link your phone. Why 2FA matters. It makes it almost impossible for hackers to access your account, even if they know your password. Security tip: never share your 2FA codes, recovery phrases, or password with anyone. Section 4. Verify your identity, KYC. Next up, Binance needs you to complete KYC verification, Know Your Customer. This is a legal requirement and helps protect against fraud. Here's what you need: a valid passport, driver's license, or ID card. Sometimes a selfie or live verification. Once verified, you unlock higher deposit/withdrawal limits, more trading options, more account security. Section 5. How to fund your Binance. Now that you're verified and secured, let's fund your account. You can add money to Binance in a few ways. Option 1. Deposit fiat currency like USD, INR, EUR. Go to Wallet, Fiat and Spot, Deposit. Choose your local currency. Select a payment method, bank transfer, debit card, credit card. Option 2. Deposit crypto. Copy your Binance deposit address. Send crypto from another wallet, like MetaMask, Coinbase, Trust Wallet. Option 3. P2P trading, peer-to-peer. You can buy crypto directly from other users using Paytm, UPI, or other local methods, especially popular in India, Nigeria, etc. Fast tip: for first-time buyers, using a debit/credit card is usually the fastest way. Section 6. How to buy your first coin. Easy way. Okay, time to get that first coin. Here's the easiest method. Go to Buy Crypto, Credit, Debit Card. Choose the coin you want, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Enter the amount. Example, $50. Confirm payment method. Click Buy. Boom, you now own crypto. Section 7. How to trade crypto, advanced buying. Want to buy at better prices? Use the spot market where real traders operate. Spot by steps. Go to Trade, Spot. Search the coin you want. Example, BTC, USDT. Choose Market Order for instant buy, or Limit Order for setting your own price. Market Order. Buy immediately at current price. Limit. Order, set your own price, wait for it to be filled. Section 8. What is stop limit? Bonus. Stop limit orders are like setting a trap. Stop price. When the market hits this price, your limit order is triggered. Limit price. The price at which you actually buy or sell. Use it to protect gains or prevent heavy losses. Section 9. Extra security tips after buying. Now that you own crypto, don't forget this. Move coins to a private wallet if you plan to hold long-term. Use hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. Never click random links or emails about Binance offers. Section 10. Common mistakes to avoid. Some rookie mistakes that could cost you. Sending coins to the wrong network, like sending ERC29 to BEP220. FOMO buying at all-time highs. Forgetting 2FA backup codes. Investing everything into one coin, ignoring transaction fees. Golden rule. If you don't understand it, don't invest in it. Section 11. FAQ. Quick fire round. Q. How much money do I need to start? A. As little as $10. Q. Is Binance safe? A. It's one of the safest, but you are the last line of defense. Q. Can I withdraw my money anytime? A. Yes. Crypto or fiat withdrawals are always open, unless maintenance is ongoing. Conclusion. Crypto might seem complicated at first, but now you've got the tools to enter the market like a pro. Open your Binance account, secure it, fund it, and grab your first coin. The future is digital, and you're now part of it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and comment below. Which coin are you buying first on Binance? Or, let me know what tutorial you want next.